Buenos dias. Why are you so sleepy? We're here in beautiful Del Mar, California for the Goodguys car show. Used to go to this thing a lot when I was a kid up in Pleasanton in Northern California. Just happened to see that they were out here. We were originally going to go autocrossing today, but I figured it'd be a cool spot to take the kids because they've never been to a Goodguys show. So, if you haven't been either, hang around, check it out. It's pretty sweet, man. I can hear some autocross going on. On a side note, it's super freaking overcast. It's starting to sprinkle. We wore shorts. Oh well. Here we go. So a good friend of ours just won an award at the Pleasanton show last week for his GTO. It's pretty cool. He was in one of these indoor hangars like this. Let's check out some of these cars.
This thing's pretty small.
Squeezing in there would be like me and Jonathan fitting in the bug, huh? How you like it so far, dude?
It's good.
Cool? A lot bigger than you expected? It's gonna get a lot bigger than that. That was just the first hanger. Which way we going, boys? That way. You guys have been on the Christian cam. How you like it? Put it in the comments. We're here, some autocross going on, so we're gonna go check it out. What do you think about a little electric Shelby Cobra?
It's got at least like 3 AA batteries.
3. I was thinking, what are those size D? The ones for the big flashlight. They knocked over some cones, but this vet's gonna be the one. Taking a rain break, it's starting to sprinkle pretty good. So Chris is asking why they have that material around the cars. It's to block the sunlight so that it's not cooking the tires while it's sitting here. Unlike drag racing, you're going to make a quick pass. These things, hot lapping these things, the tires get too hot and then they get squirrely. That electric car is running the same tires we're running on the vet. It held that thing pretty good. I wonder how much power that's making. The owner's not around, so we can't ask him. We had one of these 65 Shelby Daytona coupes at my shop a long time ago. Shop we owned, Edge Motorsports. Redid the whole dash on that thing. The guy was trying to get it to look more like the original. That thing was badass. I'll show you some clips here. bummer. I'm hoping to see how this thing does, you know. Hoping that they call off this rain stoppage. Well, they're holding until they stop sprinkling, so we're gonna walk around, try to find out where they're doing the burnout competition. You ready to take our vet out and start doing some of that action? Me too, bro. We were supposed to do that today, like I said. Wanted to spend some time with the kids. More important. I look miserable. Hold on, we got something you guys gotta see. C5 vet with the 50s grill and some wings. That's cool. What's your guys' thoughts on that? Interesting. To each his own, you know. Hot Wheels for days. Sprint car. International Raptor? What? This thing's sick. So far, I haven't seen any 65 Chevelles, let alone a 300 Deluxe. Mark's got to hurry up, get my car done, get it finished painted. That way we could take it out here next year. Oh, we're getting warmer. Found a 64 Chevelle wagon. No competitors or what? Now this is more my style. Little drag boat action. This brings back my childhood right here, man.
There's the 65 right there.
Dude, finally found one. Hey, he did like we did. Factory console with the power glide shifter. But he did the conversion. I bet you he's got a turbo 400 or something in there. Time to hit the swap meet. Dude, that's a big wiener. Lunchtime, now for a commercial break. Okay, now back to your regular scheduled programming.
He came out so far, he just dropped.
wouldn't even want to sit and just start.
Last one yet. Time for the burnout competition.
Not really my issue,
Shot rubber about 20 feet behind the car. You won the burnout contest because you're the only guy. Only guy that wanted to do a burnout. Dude, should have brought the vet. Well, shoot, that was uneventful. At least the dude who won, who beat himself, did a good burnout. I thought this freaking Mustang was gonna join in. This thing would have won the competition. Little blown and injected Mustang action. All right, guys, we're out of here. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Hope you guys liked it. Maybe you guys attend next time. There's good guys in every freaking state, sometimes twice in every state. So make sure you hit them up. Good Guys Rod and Custom Show, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We'll see you next time.